Okay, so I'm going to show everyone how to log into Canvas today. So one of the best ways to do it is to go through the SEC website. So from the main page, you can go right up here to the search bar and just type in Canvas, and you're going to see this Canvas login. And right here, you're going to see all this information about Canvas right here, and it tells you about creating a new account and password information if you ever need help. And right here, you'll see the link to get into Canvas, and it takes you to the login page. In order to log into Canvas, you're going to use your WebAdvisor credentials for your username and your password. So it's the exact same information to log into both. Once you've logged in, you'll get to the dashboard screen. You'll find the course that you want to log into. And so for this exercise, we're going to log into the portfolio class. And so right here, you are now into the class that you need for this exercise. And that is how you log into Canvas.